Hello YouTube, this is Joseph from STEM APKs. Welcome to another tutorial. In the last tutorial, as you remember, we had OpenCV configured, installed, and downloaded. And in this tutorial, we're going to be doing the same with Java. Why do we need Java? Because Apache Kafka is written in Scala, and that is Java. So in order to use Apache Kafka, we need Java to be installed, configured, and ready to go. So in this tutorial, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna show you how to get it installed in your computer. So the first thing you need to do is going to open your terminal, and let's clear this here. And we're inside so you can see the environment, virtual environment. So we do sudo apt-get update to make sure everything is updated. And then there are many versions of Java that you can use. You can use our Oracle Java from the maintained by the Web App 8 team. Very good PPA repository. Or you can just use apt-get and get default GDK or the JRE, or you have many options. I'm just gonna do this one. It's nice and quick, and just go copy sudo apt-get install, and then get the default JDK, and I'm going to say yes, and there it goes, and there it goes. So now we're not doing this. So what I'm going to do so now we're going to, where am I? Okay, so now I'm gonna find out how many Java, because now I gotta configure the the source file, the bash.rc and Java home. So before we do that, we gotta know how many Java versions you have. So we're going to do config Java, and right now it's telling me that I only have one, and it's this one right here. So there's nothing. I mean, sometimes you have in my main computer, I have 3 or 4 Java. I have headless Java, I have Oracle Java, I have default Java. So you get to choose. But in this case, we only have one because it's a new virtual environment. So now I have to make these Java home. So the first thing we need to do, let's see what is inside the environment. cd etc etc oops, and then etc ls, and then check what is inside the environment. And let's check the Java right here. And so when I do this, if I go echo Java home, it's giving me this is my home. Okay, so but basically this is what you want to see in your, if you want it done the right way. So you could do, so we know what that is the JRE is there. So now we go Java home, and then paste, but we don't have Oracle, so we have to replace Oracle with this one right here. So we JVM, user lib JVM, that's all good, and then go Java 8, open JDK, AMD 64, and then JRE. That's where our home is. And you hit enter, and then you gotta source your environment like this. I'm not gonna do it because I already have it. So as you can see, when I did echo Java home, it came out. In your case, it might not have anything there. And now source your environment. Make sure you source your environment. So just go copy, paste, source your environment. And now when you say echo Java home again, it's gonna have there the one that you have. So Java, if you do, one way to test it is you go Java, and if Java gives you a lot of options, that's good. That means you're ready to go. And another way to test it is write a little file, a public hello world file. So you go nano hello world Java, and just as your class hello world, your main, what it does, comment, it prints hello world. So let's change it to hello world. We are installing Java. And then Control X, yes. And now you go Java, hello world, and no errors, that's good. And now Java, name of the class, and there you go. Hello world, we're installing Java. So you know that Java is installed in your system, and now we can, in the next tutorial, we go into how to install Apache Kafka. And this is the end of this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please click the like box, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Take care.